Hi everybody, this is the first of a series of videos I'm going to be doing regarding book subscription boxes, specifically ones that are available in the UK and are under £20. And at the moment I'm paying for this with some leftover birthday and Christmas money I've got from last year. Nobody is sponsoring me, nobody's giving me free boxes or anything like that. I'm buying them with my own money. When that runs out, the videos might get a little bit fewer and in between as I play catch up from furlough and redundancy that I've faced this year. But this is the first one. It came yesterday and this is from HowNovel, and that I think this one was £8.99, so not just under 20 quid but under a tenner. And how it works with HowNovel is the website's really simple, and what you do is you pick from a genre like YA, romance, thriller, and then within that you've got 4 synopsises, and you pick a synopsis but you don't know the title of the book, you don't know the author, you don't see the cover until you receive the book. And as you can see, it's just coming about like this, and I am going to unwrap this and show you what it looks like. This is the box, how it comes within that grey bag, and just think I can't see how to open it, bear with me. Ooh, okay, so okay, that's how it comes. So within this box I've got all this brown paper packages tied up with string, and you can see it's like illustrated. I'm trying to tell if that's printed on or drawn on. It's quite a shiny ink, so I don't honestly know, it could be either. Yeah, and a handwritten letter with my name on it, and bookmark, and on the back it says, "Do not tell me that women are not the stuff of heroes," which is that. Although obviously it'd be mirror image on the camera. A little card with all the social details so I can join in the social chat regarding this month's book, and a HowNovel card with an envelope that's blank on the other side. Okay, that's it. The box is empty. So let's start with the letter, because everybody knows when you get a card and a present, you open the card first so that you can pretend to look interested when you really want to open the present. But let's see. Okay. Dear Laura, welcome to HowNovel. I'm Karen, your pen pal. Each month I will be on hand to discuss your mystery books, life and everything in between. For full details, as this note card is only so big, head over to hownovel.co.uk/pen pal. I really hope you love your first mystery book. I can't wait to hear what you think of it. Happy reading, Karen. And that is handwritten on another HowNovel card. So maybe I could use the other HowNovel card to write back to Karen in the form of snail mail. Okay, so then we have the book, and this feels like a good sized book. I don't know if you can tell how thick that is, but okay. This is the exciting bit. Can it be one I've already got or read? Only time can tell. Ah, it's not one I have, but it is on one of my TBR. So it's Eyewitness by Nikki McKay. And it says on the back, "They say I'm a murderer. 6 years ago, Kate Reynolds was found holding the body of her best friend, covered in blood and clutching the knife that killed her. I pled guilty. Kate has been in prison ever since, but now her sentence is up. She's being released. I didn't do it. There's only one person who can help. private investigator Madison Atterley, the first officer on the scene all those years ago. But uncovering the truth means catching a killer. So it's roughly 300 pages, yeah, about 300 pages, and I'll probably get to this next month now. This is February's HowNovel book. I ordered it in January and it came in February, and it will be on March's TBR, and hopefully I'll have a different book from a different company next month. And how we're going to do this is, so I'm hoping to manage one a month of these book subscription clubs, and then at the end of the year, so bearing in mind that the first one only came in Feb, so it might be that I have the last one in January 2022, we'll see how many I can find that are under £20, and then once I've done 12, so a year's worth, I will pick 2 of my favourites and then allow you guys to pick one of yours, which I will do another 2 months of each one, and then come up with a favourite overall for the best value for money. Now, in terms of value for money for this, the book RRP's at £7.99 and I paid £8.99 for a book, with some bits of cardboard and some illustrations. However, if I was to buy this on Amazon in paperback and I didn't have a Prime subscription, I do, but if I didn't, I'd have to pay postage. So, okay, you know, it is just a book really that you're getting. I mean, the other stuff isn't stuff I'd really go out of my way to get. But, I mean, it's okay. We'll see how good the book is before I can really say if I feel like I've got value. If I really enjoy reading it, then I'll be happy with it. I'll probably find I could pick up a second-hand copy on Amazon for a couple of quid or something, and then I'll be devastated. But as long as I have a lot of fun reading the book, it's okay. I can live with it. And that's all for today, and I'll see you again next month.